Hi, this is Matt, and today I'm going to be showing you how I built this basic farm-side breakfast table. Now to get started, we need to build the tabletop, and for that I'm going to start with some rough lumber that I picked up at a sawmill, and I just need to get a little bit cleaned up. So I'm playing it all down here to try and get everything the same thickness. Now to join it together, I'm just going to use a dowel glue up to help keep everything aligned. And here I'm marking the position for the dowels, and I'm just going to drill the hole with trying to get this hole lined up to the line that I made. Once I get it all drilled, I can start adding the glue, putting in the dowels, and getting it all clamped up. Now remember, your lineup here is incredibly important. The better you have everything lined up, the less work you're going to have to do sanding it flat. Once I have the glue up finished, I can start working with a belt sander to really get everything nice and flat, and then finishing it up with an orbital sander to get the surface finish that you want. With all the sanding done, I can start adding a layer of boiled linseed oil, and for that I'm just putting it all on and smearing it on with my hands. Once I have the boiled linseed oil set and removed with a towel, then I'm going to go ahead and add a clear enamel spray paint finish, sand, and put on some paste wax. With that, the tabletop is done. Now I can work on the tabletop support. We're going to start out with the main legs, which are these 4 sections. I'm going to cut long. With the main legs done, I can start working on the secondary leg supports, which are these 8 sections. I just made a jig to help cut everything nice and uniform. Then I can just assemble it using the same jig I made earlier. I'm just going to put some glue on the main leg and attach the side support in. Now you want to make sure that you attach these side supports with exactly a 2x4's width between them. That way you get a really nice secure setting. And I kept everything 45 degrees and 90 degrees, so it's a nice 90-degree mating in the middle. Now to make sure I have everything uniform, I'm trimming everything up to make sure both of these legs, make sure these legs are identical on the mirror axis. Now I need to build the top support that's going to attach to the tabletop. I'm starting with the long piece and then adding 4 waste blocks to create the middle section. When you're cutting this middle section, you might as well cut the table cross support. This you're going to put in between the 2 legs to help add some structural rigidity, and it's the same size as that smaller section we just cut. Now it's time to create the bookends that are going to help secure all those supports. And for that, I just measured the length and then cut off 2 45-degree notches. With everything cut, I can start assembling it all. I'm going to assemble the long supports with those 2 end caps that we just made. And I'm just going to do that with screws. Now to help get a mating surface for the smaller cross beams, we're going to just put a 45-degree bevel onto one side for each, and then just screw those in to the larger beams, making sure that you keep a 2x4 width offset from either sides. Once you have everything made, you can start adding the threaded inserts to make it easy to disassemble and reassemble this. For this, I'm just drilling my hole, and I'm going to come over with my threaded insert and an Allen key and just screw it into the wood. These threaded inserts make it really easy to disassemble the legs as well as the tabletop. After I'm done with the threaded inserts, I can go ahead and start spray painting everything. Now, I already finished the tabletop with a clear enamel, and for the base, I'm just using a basic black spray paint and doing 2 or 3 coats. It ends up with a really professional looking finish. Now, normally I would like to use a metal base, but if you don't have a welder, this is an easy project to do, and it looks great. And here I am. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.